Hi, I'm Rosina, and welcome back to this video series on setting up your YouTube channel. I hope the first three parts have been helpful. This is part 4, and we've got your channel all set up and ready to go. So now we're going to upload your first video. So I'll take you through the process. So go to studio.youtube.com. And in the top right hand corner there will be a create button, so click on that. It'll be the same on any page on the studio, so it doesn't matter what page you're on. Then you can either upload videos or go live. So let's upload videos, and we'll select a video and drop it on there. And then it will upload it for you. While it's uploading, it'll let you edit information about the video. So it has all kinds of things. Remember, we talked about in the section on customizing your channel settings, all these questions are going to be asked you. So put in a title. It will use the name of your video if you don't have a title for it, or unless you put the title there. So so mine was called Introduction, so it put Introduction automatically in the title. So, and then put a description of your video in here. My computer's running slow. You want things that people are going to be searching for, because the search engines use this for use the description for your video for how to people to find your video. So you want something that is going to be describe your video and that people are going to be searching for. You also might want to put some links to more content that's related to the video, especially if you have maybe a blog post or something on your website about that topic. Link to it. You might want to put your some references like your blog, your Facebook page, that kind of thing on there also. Next, you have your thumbnail. Now, if you don't choose a thumbnail, it will take the beginning of your video and use the first within the first few seconds of your video for the thumbnail. Thumbnail is just a small image that is going to be shown on when people are looking at YouTube, that represents your video. So you might want something with a title on there or something like that. Just drop your image on there and it'll upload it for you. You can select a playlist, so you can add a new playlist, and this helps you to organize your videos, both for you and for the people who are coming to see it. So select your playlist, click done, and then your audience, choose whether it's made for kids or not. Make sure that if it is made for kids, that it is made for kids. Most of the time it's going to be no, it's not made for kids. You can add an age restriction if you need to. If you are being paid to create this video for a paid promotion, then mark that it's a paid promotion. You can select automatic chapters if you want them. It'll just break up your video into smaller pieces so that people can find that part of the video much more easily. You can set your places where it was recorded. The important thing is the tags. This is keywords that the search engines use to search for your video. I usually like to put my name as the author of the video so that it always comes up, and then I might put setting up your YouTube channel. Just ignore this little box. You won't see it. It's for a add-on that I use called TubeBuddy. So you can select your language if you want to, your recording date and location, and the license. Usually you want the standard YouTube license, but there are other options. You can allow people to embed it and publish to subscriptions. You can choose whether you want to allow people to make shorts out of your video, and then choose the category that it's for. Another thing that the search engines use. Most of mine I put how to and style. Wherever how to and style is, there it is. And then your comments and ratings. You usually want to leave this hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. That way, if somebody puts a lot of bad language in there, it'll get caught and be sent to you rather than going straight to being published. So, and then you can show how many viewers like this video. So there's 4 parts of this. This is the most important part, doing your description and your keywords and your title and that kind of thing. But then the next thing is video elements. I like to add an end screen. And so click add. An end screen pops up at the end of your video to let people go on to other videos. If you don't select one, there will be one automatically put on there. So I like this one with the 1 video and 1 subscribe. And then it has a video that it thinks the viewer will like to see, and a subscribe button over here. So click on save. Then next, and it does some checking to see if there's any copyright issues with your video. Usually there won't be, so there won't be any problem there. And then you can select your visibility, whether you want to save it or publish it. Usually you'll want to pick public. Then you can do an instant premiere if you want. You can schedule it to become public in the future instead of being public right now. If you want it to, maybe you're putting the video in on Tuesday and you want it to become available on Friday, so you can schedule it. Then it double checks with you about whether kids are in the video and if you want content guidance. And then you just click publish. And then It pops up with a window that tells you what your link is to it, and eventually it will. There we go. There's your link to the video. You can click on this button and it will copy your video link to your clipboard, and you can share your link. I usually like to put it on Facebook and Twitter, so you can do that very easily from here. So there you go, all done. That was pretty easy. You've got your channel set up, you've got all your defaults done, and your first video published. So keep on going with more videos and take care. If you have any questions, please send them. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.